The belief that just experience does not make anyone a leader is a valid and important point, as as leadership is not solely based on experience. While experience is certainly valuable, it is not the only factor that makes someone a leader. Other factors such as communication skills or emotional intelligence and the ability to inspire and guide others are also essential for or to lead effectively. There are many experienced individuals who lack essential qualities of a leader, isn't it? Such as the ability to communicate, maybe, or or inspire and guide other people. On the other hand, there are also individuals who may not have as much experience but possess the essential qualities of a leader and are able to lead and inspire others effectively, right? You know what? Leadership is not about experience, but also, or I would say, leadership is not only about experience, but also about the ability to build strong relationships and communicate effectively and inspire and guide others towards a common goal. And it's like having that vision and leading everyone towards that vision or goal. To become an effective leader, it is important to focus on developing these essential qualities, through ongoing learning, skill building, self-reflection, and practice. And if you continue to believe that experience is the sole factor that makes someone a leader, you may miss out on valuable opportunities to develop the essential qualities of leadership and miss out on the benefits that come with effective leadership. On the other hand, if you shift this belief and focus on developing the essential qualities of leadership, you can become an effective leader and enjoy the benefits that come with it, such as greater influence, respect, and the ability to positively impact other people. Remember that while experience is certainly valuable, it is not the only factor that makes someone a leader. And one of the best ways to become an established leader is to write your own book, and not just any book, a non-fiction book that can help you become known for what you know. It's easy, it's structured, and you can even have it written by a writer only at www.stardombooks.com, and that's the place for first-time authors who want to become great leaders, using the power of publishing. So, see you on the inside.